Yes, good evening all. So before I start, can anyone please confirm whether my voice is clear, whether the screen is visible or not, right?
Yes, we are able to hear.
Yes. So just entering into the technicals of Python, right? Data types. There are two types. Data types are of two types. Data types are of two types. Fundamental data types, yes, fundamental data types and collection data types. Fundamental data types and collection data types. Fundamental data types means object to holding single value. Observe here, object to holding single value. Object to holding single value. Object holding single value means when x equal to 10. In Python, we no need to define the data type. If we say x equal to 10 means what value you are assigning to x, integer value. So x is a integer variable getting created dynamically during runtime. Dynamic data type supported in Python. In Python, dynamic data types. If x equal to 10, if you are assigning a 10, then it is integer variable created. If x equal to 4.5 means as you are assigning a float value, that x is a float variable creating dynamically. If x equal to HELL, right? A string is assigned to x means dynamically a string variable is going to get created, means no need to explicitly specify like int x, float one or string like that. Directly you can say x. Yes, whenever you say x equal to 10, internally one object will be created with value 10. It is going to occupy some address. The address is given to x. So here this object to holding a single value, object to holding single value, right? Or object holding single value, it's fundamental data type. Collection data type means, right? Object to holding group of values. What is that? Object to holding group of values. Collection of values, group of values, set of values, right? For example, x equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. In this way, list of values, right? Yes. So here, collection data types means object holding group of values. Group of values means yes. Group of values means in this way. Yes. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Yes, it is going to have some address. The address is given to x. So here, object to holding multiple values, object holding multiple values. Anytime if object holding multiple values means it is collection data type. If only single value like integer or float or string, it's a fundamental data type, right? Fine. Fundamental data types. Observe here, if you are keeping something as hash, right? It's like a comment in Python. Comment in Python, we give a hash symbol. It's not executable. Fundamental data types. In that fundamental data types, mainly there are of five types. Mainly five types. First is like int, float, boolean, string, complex. So five types of fundamental data types. Here int, something like age 25. 25 is what? Integer. Float means something like height. Height 6.4, right? Height is what? 6.4. Boolean, which written say the true or false. Boolean values means yes, true or false. Observe here, T should be in uppercase, false F should be in uppercase. Python is case sensitive, uppercase, lowercase taken differently. String, something, sequence, collection of characters. For example, Hyderabad. So collection of within the quotes, double quotes, if you are collection of characters. Complex Python also supports complex data type for working with complex numbers. Generally for complex number x plus iy, but in imaginary part, right? But in Python, instead of 5, we use the symbol j for imaginary, right? So int, float, boolean, string, and complex. We have got a lot of discussion on this string indexing, string slicing, string functions, string methods, and string special characters, right? Yes. Yes. What is it? Yes. String indexing, we got string slicing, string functions, string methods, and string special characters. And observe collection data type, right? Collection data types mainly there are four types of collections: list, tuple, set, dictionary, right? Yes. So here, yeah, Python provides simple syntaxes as said. Yeah, complex data type, right? Generally, what do you mean by complex? X plus iy, a plus ib in general mathematics, right? A plus ib means example like 3 plus 4i, right? Example, this is real and this is imaginary. So, but in Python, instead of the symbol I, we use J. We need to use J here. Just instead of I, just use J. Indicates what? Imaginary. Here 3 plus 4j. This is real part, this is imaginary part. So people who wants to work with complex numbers, Python also provides complex data type, right? Yes, I'll be discussing more on this complex data type, right? Yes. List, tuple, set, and dictionary. See how simple the syntax is provided by Python. For list, squared bracket. For tuple, normal bracket. Okay. For set, curly bracket. For set, what is it? Curly bracket. For dictionary, right. For dictionary, right. Collection of key and value pairs. Four I plus 3 or 3 plus 4I, both are same, right? 3 plus 4I or 4 plus 3?
No.
Real and imaginary. So generally, how to represent a complex number? X plus iy, x plus iy, x plus a plus ib, a plus ib, right? Yeah. Complex x plus iy, a plus ib, 3 plus 4j. So instead of 5, we use j here. That's this. And coming to this collection data type, yes, list, tuple, set, and dictionary. List by using square bracket, tuple by using normal bracket, set by using curly bracket, and dictionary by using key and value. Dictionary by using what? Key and value format. Okay. So list of values example, right? X equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. List of values. Tuple of values, by seeing the bracket, you need to understand whether it is a list or tuple. Whenever you see this bracket, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a tuple of values. Set of values, right? By seeing this bracket, curly bracket, right? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Yes, it's what? Set. By seeing the bracket, if the square bracket, list. If normal bracket, tuple. If curly bracket, it is set. Okay. Dictionary collection of key value pairs. Dictionary collection of key value pairs means, for example, W equal to, yes, name Ajay, right? Yes. Age 25, right? So collection of key value pairs, right? Yes. Key and value, right? Key and value. Collection of key value pairs, collection of key and value pairs. City Hyderabad, key and value. Is my voice clear to all? Is my voice clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Some of
Yeah,
them,
yes,
facing some audio problem, unable to hear, it seems.
that was a couple of minutes back. Yeah. Now we are able to hear. So again, we lost you, sir. So you able to? Hello.
Okay, fine, right? So list of values, square bracket, tuple of values, this one, curly bracket, and key and value, key value notations, right? Key value notations. Yes. So both for set and dictionary, right? For both, for list, for set and dictionary, right? The same thing. Dictionary, right? Collection of key value pairs. Fine. So we have got lot of discussion on collection data type, list properties, list indexing, list slicing, list functions, list methods, nested list, modifying list. Similarly for tuple, sets, and dictionaries, right? So on this collection data types, we'll be having a lot of discussion on this. Nearly 4 to 5 days we'll be discussing on these collections. So we have got a lot of discussion on string, I said, right? String indexing, string slicing, string functions, string methods, and string special characters. Fine. So what is a string? A string is a sequence collection of characters. A string is a sequence collection of characters. In Python, a string is represented, right? In Python, a string is represented using single quote, using double quote, and using triple quote. Using single quote, using double quote, and using triple quote. Yes, single quote, double quote, and triple quote. So when to go for single and double is for a single word or sentence. You go for single quote or double quote. If you got a paragraph, right? Yes. If you got a paragraph, right? Yes. Yes. Go for triple quote. Single line, for a single line, right? Yes. You go for single quote or double quote. For multiple lines like paragraph, you go for triple quote. It's a sequence collection of characters. String is a sequence collection of characters. Right. Each character of a string something. Each character of a string is represented using or accessed using a unique index. Each character of a string is represented or accessed using a unique index. String supports two types of indexes. Yes, each character of a string represented or accessed by using a unique index. String supports two types of indexes. First one, like positive index or forward index. Positive index or forward index. Index starts from left to right. Index starts from left to right. Index starts with 0. Positive index or forward index? Yes, index starts from left to right. Index starts with 0. Negative index or negative or positive index or forward index, negative index or backward index. Index starts from right to left. Index starts from right to left. Index starts with -1. Positive index or forward index starts from left to right. Backward index or negative index starts from right to left. Index starts with -1. Just observe this example to understand about this indexing, right? X equal to Python, Python, right? So a string, for the string, internally one object will be created. Internally one object gets created. Yes. Python. String is a sequence collection of characters. It is going to occupy some address. The address is given to X. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is what? Positive index or forward index. Positive index or forward index. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and -6. What is it? Negative index or backward index. Negative index or backward index. Yes. Yes. So positive index starts from left to right. Backward index and negative index starts from right to left. Try to answer what is the value of x of 2, everyone. Try to unmute yourself and try to give the responses, right? What is x of 2 here?
T.
X of 2 is what? T. X of -2.
O.
All right. So either you can go with positive or negative index for accessing a particular character of a string. Yes. Okay. So here, okay, single line comment starts with hash symbol. It's not executable. Multi-line comments, I want to comment all these lines. Start with triple quote, end with triple quote. Start with triple quote, end with triple quote. X equal to Python. Print X. Type of X. Print X. Type of X, right? Type of X is what type? String type. str, string type. Observe this, right? Run, check this. File, save it. File, save it, right? Yes. tr1.py, right? Yes. Run module. What type? String type. Y equal to programming. Y equal to programming, right? Yes. Y equal to programming. Print X plus Y. Print X plus Y, right? Yes. What it says? Concatenation. Concatenation, right? Adding. X plus Y means we say it as concatenation. Means what? Adding two strings. Adding two strings. First string followed by second string. First string followed by second string. Concatenation, adding two strings, first string followed by second string. Just observe this Python plus programming. You get output as Python programming. Python program. If you want space between this Python and programming, Python plus X is Python, Y is programming. You add one blank space, three strings. X is one string, this one blank string, and Y. Python space programming, Python programming, right? Yes. Python space programming, Python programming, right? Yes.
So I have one question. So
Yes.
if for a particular variable, if you are passing any empty, null string, so will assign any value from right to left and left to right?
So if you got a blank string, even index is even for a blank string, right? Index will be there. Space you are talking?
Yes, correct.
Yes, even for that also. See this coming examples. String indexing, right? What we have discussed. Next to string slicing. String slicing, right? Yes. Extracting particular portion of a string. Extracting particular portion of a string. Extracting particular portion of a string, right? Yes. X equal to Python program. Extract only Python from this. Extract only Python. How to extract print only Python? X is the string name. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the start with 0? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 0 to, yes, 0 to
6.
5. 5, 5, 5.
0 to 6 we need to give. So actually this is lower bound, we say this is upper bound. Actually 0 to 5 only, right? Why I have given 6 means I'm writing a comment here. Always upper bound is excluded. Upper bound is excluded. It is not included, right? If I give 5, 5 gets excluded. Means up to 4 only it will consider. Means up to here only. N will be missing. If I say 6, 6 will be excluded. Up to 5 it will consider. Python will be the output. Check it. Anytime upper bound will be excluded. Run module. Python. Always upper bound is excluded. Okay. Zero to 5. Now 0 to 5. Now I want to extract only the middle portion of the string. I want to just print only the middle portion of the string. I want to print only these 4 characters, P, R, O, G, right? Try to answer how to print it. Yes, everyone try to give the response. Unmute yourself and try to give that response through voice and through chat panel.
7, 6,
0 to 7.
7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. 7 to 8, sir.
7 to, yes, everyone.
8. Sorry.
11.
8.
7 to
7,
11.
sir. Yes, sir.
So this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the blank space 6.
Yeah.
Start with 7, 8, 9, 10. 11 if we give 11 excluded. 7 to 11 means PROJ, PROJ, right? Yes. Yes, extracting particular portion, right? For example, if I go in the opposite way, X of 11 to 7, if I go in 11 to 7, right? What is the output? 11 to 7, if I 7 to 11, PROG. If I go in the opposite, 11 to 7.
RGOR, sir.
Observe carefully.
No, no, no. No, 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 no. It is error, sir. It gets error, sir.
No.
Empty, no error, empty string it gives because always slicing in the forward direction.
If
In
we
the
want to
forward-
reverse, we using minus, sir. -1 or
always
-2.
slicing in the forward direction. No, you cannot go in the backward direction. Always slicing in the forward. See, PROG, you are going in the forward direction slicing 7 to 11. But 11 to 7, if you are going in the backward, right? 11 to 7, you are going in the backward direction. Anytime if you
-2.
go, if anytime if you go in backward direction, it gives empty string. Can you see one empty string here? Observe here. Always you should go slicing like 7 to 11. If you are going in backward 11 to 7, it gives empty string. Using negative index also, you should go in forward direction only. Just try to extract PROG using negative index now. Try to answer. Use everyone using negative index. Extract PROG using negative index. Print, try to say x of, from where I need to start up to n.
-7.
Minus
4.
-10. Sorry.
-7.
-4.
minus 4 is wrong.
-7.
Minus 7 is right.
-3. -7 to -3.
Minus 7 to
-2.
-3. See, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. -7 you want? You should go in forward direction. -7 you want? -6 you want? -5 you want? -4 you want? Give -3. -3 excluded up to -4. -7 to -4. PROG, right? Yes, but if you are going like -4 to, in this way, if you go -4 to -8, empty string. Using negative index also, go in the forward direction. Extract the entire word program. Extract the entire word program, right? Yes. Try to say, using positive index, you say me first. Program, this entire word program, try to extract. Positive index.
From
7.
7,
7.
14. 7:14.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
7 to 14, sir.
If I give
14.
13 excludes M, you won't get it. Can I give 14?
Yeah.
14 index not
It
available.
will get to programs.
14 index not available. Can I give 14? Yes,
Yes, sir.
because
Yes.
14 excluded. Up to 13 only it takes here. You will get program. Or shortcut. X of 7 to, don't provide the upper bound. It reads up to the end of the string. 7 to up to the end. It reads. Both will get program. Yes.
Yes.
Now, for example, yes, print, yes, print x of using negative index. You say me how to extract a program.
-7.
-7 to
Empty, sir. -7.
empty.
Empty, sir. Empty.
Yeah, don't provide this upper bound. -7 to up to the end of the string. All these three statements use program. Run module. It gives what? Program. Now, can I ignore?
For program, right, reverse index, if you want to select, right, -7 to 0 can't we enter?
-7, 0 means this one P, right?
Yeah.
So it will be empty string.
-7 to, you will go in this 0 means backward. 0 means
Okay.
0 means this one.
Hmm.
0, 1, 2, 3, positive index.
Okay.
So can I ignore this lower bound? Is it valid?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
here from the start of the string to 6 excluded up to 5 text. This and this both are same. If you are
Yes, sir.
not giving this lower bound, it will start from the start index. If you are not providing the upper bound, it will go up to the end index. If I ignore both lower and upper bound, if I'm not giving both, what is the output?
It's totally Python program printed, sir.
The entire string Python program from the start to end index. Is it compulsory to use spaces here?
No, sir, just give a print text, sir. It will print Python program.
Is it valid if I give like this?
Yes.
Or similar to print x?
Yeah,
These three statements results the same output.
yes, sir.
Print x of 0 to up to the end of the string. These four
Is
statements,
valid.
these four statements results the same output to Python program or entire string. Can I give the combination of negative and a positive index? For example, print x of -7 to 11. Is it valid?
No.
No, sir.
No,
One
it's
negative
going
and one
in.
means it is one
Yeah,
positive,
valid, sir. It's valid.
one negative, one positive. Is it valid?
Valid, sir.
Yeah, valid.
-7 means P. 11 means what? R.
Yes, sir.
-7 to 11 means P R
PROG.
O G. It's valid. You will get the output P R O G. You can use the combination of negative and positive as it going in the forward direction. Print yes, x of try to check this, x of 0 to 14 with the increment of 2. See this, what is that first one? 0 indicates what?
P.
Start value.
Starting position.
Value. What is this 14? Stop value.
Stop.
What is this 2? Step value.
Interval.
Step value means increment by. So what is the output for this?
It will be P.
P and
P.
D.
No, it will
Alternate.
be 0 index, increment by 2, 2 index, 4 index, 6 index, 8 index, 10 index, 12 index. Even indexes only it is going to read. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. 0 means this, again 2, again
T
4,
O
6,
empty bracket R
8.
G A. That's it, sir.
Understood that everyone? If you have got queries, you can ask me up. 0 to 14 with the increment of 2 means I doesn't want all 0, 1, 2, 3. Here, if you are not providing, by default, it increments by 1, 7, 8, 9, 10. But here, don't increment by 1, increment by 2, 0, next 2 should, next 4 index, next 6 index, 8 index. Observe here, print x of : 2. Both are same, right?
It will be same, sir.
0 to 14 and this increment by 2.
Same.
Both are same, right? Yes. Okay. Print x of : -1, x of : -1, right? What
It
is
will
Negative. Reverse.
Reverse.
print reverse.
reverses the string? You will get the entire string in the reversed order.
Yes, sir.
Anytime if you want to reverse the string, right? See this Python program. Reverse entire string got reversed. Have you heard about the word palindrome? Anyone? Have you heard about the word
Yes.
palindrome? What
Yes.
is
Yes, yes.
palindrome?
Nitin.
Front to
Nitin.
back to front, it will be same.
If we reverse a string, if we get the same string, then it is a palindrome.
1 to 1.
If we reverse a string, if we get the same string, then it is a palindrome. Examples of palindrome, anyone?
1 to 1.
Nitin.
ABA.
M-A-D-A-M, madam. If you reverse also, you will get madam only.
Madam, sir.
Test.
Test no, you won't get.
No.
Nitin. Nitin. N-I-T-I-N.
N-I-T-I-N. If you reverse also, you will get same Nitin only, right?
Mom.
Malayalam. If you reverse also, are you getting Malayalam? Yes, mom, someone. Dad.
Dad.
race car, again, reverse, you will get the same thing. For example, x equal to madam, madam. If I print x, you will get madam, right? X colon minus 1.
Madam, sir. Can you-
Store it in y, store in a variable y. I reversed it and I'm printing it. Are you getting madam only?
Yes, sir.
So it's a palindrome. If I'm printing normally, if reversed one, if I'm printing, then it's a palindrome. Fine. This is string slicing. Any queries in this? String indexing and slicing, anyone? Indexing and slicing. You can go with positive index, negative index, slicing, right?
Yeah, I have one question. Yes, sir.
Yes.
So let's say the string is Python program Python.
Mm,
The string is Python program Python.
mm,
So if I want to fetch only Python, because I'm having two Python in the string, Python program Python. Right now we are hardcoding the indexes numbers.
mm.
So in that way, the index will get changed, right? For two Python values in the same single string. So how we can achieve to fetch that particular
here,
Python?
so
Yeah.
there is another method.
Mhm.
Okay, very simple, right? And in the coming examples, I'll be showing it. But as you asked that query, 1 second. Ideally, right? So your query, ideally, x equal to what was that? Python program Python. So this interactive mode, right? You can just work with this. Yes, what you want?
I want to fetch only Python
You want only
because we
Python.
have two Python. Yeah.
So in
both.
the coming topic, I'll be discussing about a function called split. If I split this line, you will get 3 words. Which word you want from it? I am splitting. X is the string. That X you split based on space. Based on space, you split it. I'll get, if I split this line, you will get 3 words. List of 3 words. Yes. I want y of 0 means Python. Y of 1 means program. Y of 2 means again Python. Understood? Very simple way, right?
Yeah.
Instead of going with slice, it's much more simple. If I split this line, you will get a list within the list 3 words. First word index is 0. Python will get. Second word index is 1. Y of 1. Third word index is 2. That's which word you want.
Sir, how is this split function converting the string into a list?
If we split a string, you get a list. So
Okay.
if we split it, that's what we are going to discuss, right?
Okay.
String methods. So that's, we have got string methods. So we don't to write huge codings in Python. We have got many methods available. String methods are available, right? String methods. For example, x equal to Hyderabad. First one, upper. I want to print in uppercase. To print in uppercase. Print Hyderabad in uppercase. Very simple, right? Methods given.
Uppercase.
Course content, right? You can see in the chart panel. Yes, no. 1 second. So, okay, x equal to Hyderabad, right? Print x dot upper, right? Yes. X dot upper means this entire thing in the upper case. Just observe this output. Code. Compulsory, we need to save it. Uppercase, yes. Now, if you want to print something in lower, yeah. To print in lowercase. So x equal to, for example, Mumbai. Print x dot, x is the string.
Lower.
I want to print in lower, right? That's it. X dot lower. Mumbai in lowercase. For example, x equal to India is there. Observe this. Only the first character I want in upper. Remaining all in the lower only. How can I
Unit
print?
cap. Unit
Only
cap.
the first
X
character,
zero.
only the first character I in the upper, remaining all in the lower. That's it. Capitalize. There is a method called capitalize, which capitalizes only the first character in the upper, remaining all in the lower case. What is the method name? Capitalize. It's a method for capitalizing what? The first character of a string. Yes. For example, right? I got a string like this. Good evening, Hyderabad. How many words are there in this? How many words are there?
Three words.
3 words. Every word, first character I want in uppercase. Every word, first character. Every word, first character in uppercase.
Capitalize.
X dot capitalize. Not capitalize. Capitalize means only the first one only in upper. But I want every word first character in upper. We have got a method called title. We don't need to write quotes for it. Now check it. Good G in upper, evening E in upper, Hyderabad H in upper. Check it once. Yes, G in upper, evening E in upper, Hyderabad H in upper. You may ask, okay, 1 second. What is this? Title. Method name is title. For capitalizing the first character
Of each word.
of each word in a string. For example, where this can be useful, this title in real time. I've got some employee names, right? Rohit, Ajay, Miller, James, Amar, Blake, Rahul. In this way, some 100 names are there. I want every employee name first character in the uppercase. How can I write? Print EMPS is the string name. Dot title. That's it. Now check it. Each and every name first character in the uppercase or not. Rohit or in upper, Ajay, Miller, James, Amar, Blake, Rahul. So how many words? Each and every word first character in the uppercase. Replace. We have got a method like replace. For replacing a portion of a string. For replacing a portion of a string. Yes. X equal to, yes, I'm saying a string X equal to, I'm saying Java is easy. I got a string like this. Java is easy. Print X is the string. In that string, replace the word Java with Python. What is the output you get?
Python
Replace
easy.
Python is
Python is
easy. Okay, where it went? So Python is easy. For example, Java is easy and Java is simple. Multiple Javas are there. Will it replace Java is easy and Java? Will it replace each and every occurrence of Java with Python or only the first occurred Java with
Oh
Python?
no,
Every Java.
it replaces everything.
Every Java
Replace.
with Python. You will get Python is easy and Python is simple. So yes, we have got like a method like swap case for converting one case to another case. For converting one case to another case. If it is in lower, converts to upper. If it is in upper, converts to lower. For example, good evening, Hyderabad. Total it is in lower case, right? Now, if I say print x dot swap case means what is the output? Everything in upper case.
Caps.
If you have got combination of lower and upper, all the lowers will be converted to upper, all upper to lower. Yes. So in this way, we have got many methods. Not only this, I will be discussing more on these methods in the tomorrow's class. Upper, lower, capitalize, title, replace, swap case, find, format, count, starts with, ends with. So in this way, we have got many methods. We need to write the codes here. Understood, right? I was discussing about strings, string, single quote representation, double quote, triple quote. Yes, two types of indexing. And here slicing, right? Particular portion of a string and string methods you got, right? Many more methods we'll be discussing in the tomorrow's class. And tomorrow's class, right? The link will be changing, right? You are supposed to get enrolled, so to get a link, right? To your mail ID. So 1 second. Course content will be forwarded to your mail ID. So you can see that the payment process and procedure message is given in the. Okay. You see, and only for Python, it's 5,000, right? So you see the course content. I'll display the course content once again, right? Python basics, Python operations, Python operators in Python, Python IDs, flow control statements, looping statements, strings in Python, collections in Python, Python lists, Python tuples, Python sets, collections, all these are Python dictionaries in brief, functions in programming, different types of functions, properties, categories, lambda function, filter function, map function, reduce function, modules in Python, modular programming, the ways of importing, reloading, right, package in Python, type errors and exceptions in Python, file handling in Python, object-oriented programming concepts with Python, regular expressions, right? Database connectivity, database access, installing some database, working with SQL operations, Python date and time, OS module in brief, advanced concepts like iterator, generator, closures, decorators, working with different file formats, graphic programming, working with Excel workbook, data analytics, and introduction to data science like Pandas model in brief, NumPy numerical Python in brief, and matplotlib plottings and visualizations. This 30 topic, right, for Python core and advanced, right? 2 months duration, daily 70 hours I'll be spending. Right. Apart from this fee structure is Python fee structure is the offer batch. Just 5,000 is the fee structure for it. In brief, in depth, it will be discussed. And people who go for full stack, Python full stack web development, apart from Python, so framework, Python framework like Django will be discussed. Web framework, installations, project architecture, right? Django applications, views, templates, Django admin, Django models, advanced concepts, right? With 15 to 20 applications creations, I'll be showing you, right? Web applications creations using Django framework. Apart from this Django, people who doesn't have knowledge on this web development, UI technologies, that UI technologies in brief, HTML in brief, CSS in brief, JavaScript in brief, and MySQL, right? So everything in brief, right? Full stack web development. Yes, once again, the timing, I'll repeat the timing of this batch. For the first 1 week or 10 days, it will be at 10 p.m. Later, we'll start at 9 p.m., 9 to 10. We'll start at 9 o'clock to 9 p.m. to 10, right? Fine.
Okay.
Any other queries, right? So
And will you be
tomorrow,
explaining this REST API as well?
yes, in Django REST API. So one thing. So what are the things I'll be covering, right? Once again, right? Python, core, advanced, and application-oriented modules. Totally like 70 hours. Nearly they will be taking 2 months for this. Total everything, Python, everything, core, advanced, everything will be covered. Apart from this, people who wants to go for full stack web development, right? So for the web development technologies, first you'll be given knowledge on this web development like HTML, CSS, cascading style sheets, JavaScript, and a part of Bootstrap. Apart from this, Django framework, Python framework, right? Django framework, like nearly some 15 to 20 applications I'll make you create. Plus REST API. Plus finally a project on this. So for this also, right? Apart from this, for this web development, Django REST API, for all this, it takes nearly 50 hours. So combinedly both 120 hours. This 50 hours it also takes 2 months, totally like 4 months. If you want to go parallelly Monday to Friday, Python, Saturday and Sunday, there is some weekend batch for this web development. Saturday and Sunday, right? Actually, last Saturday we had just a demo session, right? Introductory session. So first HTML, CSS, this JavaScript. At morning 7 to 9, there is a batch starting. Once you get enrolled into this whole, so this is 5,000 for this, and for this thing it is 7K. Totally it is 12K. But in a single payment, if you do, it's like 10K. Means if you're taking the entire full stack package, it is 10K. If you're taking separately Python first, later if you're taking this, it will be 5 and 7, right? So it's 10K, right? So if you want to go parallel, if you want to complete in 2 months, Monday to Friday, this Saturday and Sunday, you'll be having, once you got enrolled, you can attend any of my Django or this web development classes. So, but this Saturday and Sunday, morning 7 to 9, 2 hours on 2 hours on Saturday, 2 hours on Sunday. So there is a web development it's going, right? HTML, CSS, JavaScript, these things will be discussed. Yes, yes. What are the offerings, right? So you will be getting all the session videos for all this. What all I discussed for HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, all this you will get the video session that day itself. Class notes, soft copy of the class notes, assignments and tasks. If you want to get command on this programming, you need to work with the assignments and tasks, right? Based on the, and a WhatsApp group will be created. Tomorrow the link will be changing, right? So you need to get enrolled for getting the link, and from tomorrow you'll be getting the videos to your Google Drive, this notes to your Gmail, or and a WhatsApp group will be created tomorrow. Assignments and tasks will be forwarded, right, to your mails. So this is the offerings, right? So first I said 10 p.m. it starts. Tomorrow also class at 10 p.m. First 1 week to 10 days will be at 10 p.m. Later it starts at 9 p.m. right? Okay.
Can we learn both these courses parallelly? Is there dependent? Is Python web development dependent on Python?
No, HTML, CSS, JavaScript doesn't have no knowledge on Python required for this. This how to develop a web page. How to develop a web page that using this HTML, and how to add styles, cascading styles, different colors, images, all these borders for this, and JavaScript to add some dynamism, right? This you will be learning first. So by the time when this web development completes, almost like 50 to 60% of your Python completes.
Okay.
Fine. So we have got the contact details also, right? For any other things, you can see, copy the chart, the contact details of the online team. And if you're done with the payment, don't forget to send the screenshot of your payment to this DURGASOFT online training at Gmail. You can see in the same message, right? In the message they have clearly given. You need to give the screenshot of your payment to that mail ID. Then only you'll be getting the link. Right?
Sir, today afternoon I have done the payment, and I have already shared the screenshot to that mail, but I didn't receive any.
For everyone, right? Tomorrow like afternoon or evening, you'll be getting the link for all.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay.
So still this link, today we are running with this link, right? This link will be removed. Tomorrow morning or afternoon, they'll create a new link, paid link, right?
Sir, if we don't want Saturday, Sunday classes for morning 7 to that time.
Yeah, one second. Not this. Once you get enrolled into this full stack, you can attend any of my next coming batches. Any of my batch you can.
Yeah, okay.
If
Sir,
you're not, if
I've
you're not,
already done the
if,
payment for full stack only, sir.
if you're not satisfied with this timing, right? In the coming days, some other batches will be starting, right? That
Okay.
timings you can choose it, right? Yes.
Okay, sir.
Sir, can you send me this web development video, demo video?
Yeah. So yes, this contact details are there that you can just contact them. They'll be forwarding you that video. Anything right related to the videos things they'll be taking care. Notes I'll be forwarding. Videos they will be forwarding to you. Right? Online. Yes. Okay.
Thank you.
Fine, right? Okay. So
Sir, for
the
string
question-
slicing, right? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes. String slicing.
Yeah. For string slicing, can you take up the last example once? Yeah, last one, like reverses the string,
Mhm.
print X. Yeah.
So here, 2, right?
Yeah, 2.
Is the 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Here, from -1 means from right side onwards. From right
But
side.
we are not putting the, it's not the reverse index, right? It's the forward index only.
Forward index means, see here, this -1 means what?
Yeah, it's the reverse index. Yeah.
Yes. Understood, right?
No, I'm little confused on this. Like here, basically the output for this will be the
Here, starting with 0 to 5.
Yeah.
Forward. Backward means minus here to in this way, -1 to in this way. If you are giving increment by 2 means after 0, 2 will
0,
come.
2
After 2, after 4, like. But you are starting from 0. But -1 means in this way it will become -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. In this way it is going, right? Yes. Entire string from -1 with increment of 2 means after 0, 2 will come. After that 4, 6. -1 means after that -2, -3. So this indicates this entire string, but from right side, from -1, -2, decrement. -1 means in this way you will get.
Okay.
N will be getting first, next O you will get, next H you will get, next T, next
Suppose
Y.
if for the same question, right, if you want the output in the reverse index, backward index, then it will be still be, as you mentioned, right, it will still, even though you are mentioning as the backward index, it will still
Hey,
read as
one
a
second.
forward.
X of : -2 means
It will increment by 2 values.
In reverse order, character by
1. Next -3, -5 you will get. -1, after that
-3.
-3, -5 this will get. If we give -1 means -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. This is slicing. This is slicing. Slicing, right? Entire string, but in what way? -1, right?
Okay.
Python offers various libraries for visualize such as matplotlib, cbun, plotlib. These libraries. Yes, Chandramohan. Yes. As part of the course, I'm covering the main libraries, right? NumPy, matplotlib, pandas, all this I'm going to cover. NumPy model, matplotlib model, and pandas model. This will be discussed in brief. Yes. So different types of models related to big data, some data science, database, graphics, operating system. For all this, the models, Python models I'm covering. So If I'm done with your queries, I'll sign off for now. Meet you tomorrow, same time at 10 o'clock, but with different.
One more
link.
question. I have
Yes.
one more question. As you
Okay.
mentioned, this is a Python full stack web development. Are you teaching this React or Node?
No, I said right. What are the things I'm
Yes, you did
covering?
mention, but full
So,
stack.
no. 1 second, 1 second.
Yeah.
So web development will be given knowledge on HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap. These things,
Okay.
web development, and Django framework. Django framework, everything takes care. It has got Django framework itself, everything it is going to handle. It has got its own database like SQLite 3. Otherwise, you can also connect with other databases like Oracle, MySQL. It has got its own database. It has got its own application. It automatically creates all the .py files, all the Python files automatically it will create required for your project. So that is what in a rapid speed you can develop web applications using this Django framework with very less coding, right?
Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
So from tomorrow onwards, actual classes will start right?
So
From the starting.
you will be continuing from the string methods.
Okay,
What
because I have not attended initially, so that's why.
you'll be getting
I
other
mean, the installation and all, what is Python?
yeah, you'll be getting the videos of that to your Google Drive. So if you have
Okay.
missed the 2 sessions or 3 sessions, you'll be getting the video. You can go through. If you have got any query, you can ask me.
Okay.
So you'll be getting from the all the first introductory session onwards too. You'll be getting all the videos to your Google Drive tomorrow, right? Yes.
Okay.
Okay, fine. So the course content will be shared to your mail IDs, to all the mail IDs that you have joined with this meeting. Thank you all for your time. Meet you tomorrow, 10 o'clock. Bye. Good night.